To remove either optical drive, first remove the access panel and the front bezel. Detach the power and data cables from the back of the drive. Note that the serial ATA power and data cables have a latch that must be pressed to free the cable. Pull out on the drive latch and swing it partially to the left. Pull the drive completely out of the PC. To install a new optical drive into a system that has an empty optical drive bay, first remove the top optical drive. Remove the EMI shield for the empty bay by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slots on the shield and prying the shield off. To install either optical drive, push the drive in part way. Pull out on the drive latch and insert its peg into the hole marked 2 on the drive bay. Slide the drive back until it locks into position. Attach the power and data cables to the back of the drive.